This is 3rd grade GoMath Chapter 4 review, and this is part 5. So this is the 5th page of the review. Problem number 17. For numbers 17a through 17d, select true or false for each equation. 3 times 7 is 21 is true. 5 times 7 is 28 is false. 5 times 7 equals 35. 4 times 7 equals 28. 8 times 7 is 49 is false. 8 times 7 equals 56. 7 times 7 equals 49. 9 times 7 is 63 is true. Consider the number that makes the multiplication sentence true. 10 times 4 is 40. For numbers 19a through 19d, select yes or no to indicate whether the sum or product is equal to 8 times 6. So first of all, you need to know that 8 times 6 is 48. So we have 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. That does not equal 48. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 2 is 16. 32 and 16 is 48. So yes, that equals 48. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. 24 plus 12 is 36, so that does not equal 48. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48, so yes, that equals 48. There's your answers for that. Number 20. Chloe bought 4 movie tickets. Each ticket cost $6. What was the total cost of the movie tickets? So she bought 4 movie tickets. Each ticket cost $6. So 4 times 6 is 24. And it's not just 24. There's our dollar sign. It's $24. Write a multiplication sentence using the following numbers and symbols. So we need to write a multiplication sentence using the following numbers and symbols. So we have 665 to parentheses and equals. So I'm going to say 6 times 5 times 2 equals 60. There are more answers. You could say 2 times 5, which is 10, times 6 is 60. You could say 6 times 2 times 5 is 60, and put the 6 times 2, which is the 12. Right? As long as you use these numbers, multiply these numbers together, 2, 5, and 6, and your solution would be 60. That's the end of that part.